Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is unlocked and has power. Low battery can interrupt changes. Open Settings now, use the gear icon or type Settings in search. Identify your operating system because controls differ. iOS calls it accessibility, Android may use accessibility or display, Windows uses ease of access, and Mac OS groups it under accessibility. Once you see settings, move directly to accessibility or display sections. This gets you to the controls that manage inverted colors. Navigate to accessibility or display settings and scan for terms like invert colors, color inversion, negative, or smart invert. On iOS, tap display and text size, then smart invert or classic invert. On Android, open accessibility visibility enhancements or display color inversion. On Windows, go to Settings, Ease of Access Color Filters, and turn off Invert. On Mac OS, open Accessibility Display and uncheck Invert Colors. Toggle the switch and watch the screen change. Make sure the preview matches normal colors before proceeding. Once inversion is off, test several apps and the home screen to confirm normal color rendering. If inversion returns, check your accessibility shortcut or gesture. It may be set to toggle color inversion. Disable that shortcut to prevent accidental reactivation. If problems persist, restart the device, install pending OS updates, and on Windows or Android, verify display drivers or firmware. If updating doesn't help, try a settings reset for accessibility. This preserves data, but clears custom accessibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.